Hi traders, thanks for stopping by at thetradinganalyst.com. This is Taylor and we're going to take a look at a bunch of individual stock charts here, and I'm going to give you my analysis and thought process. And the idea here is for you to walk away from this video with some newfound knowledge on technical analysis, as well as some profitable trade ideas here on these names that I'm going to be covering. But first, if you're not already a member at thetradinganalyst.com, go ahead and give us a visit on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. Once you sign up, you're going to be able to take part in the professional chat room, the daily watch list, the real-time profitable trade alerts that are not only given in the live chat room, but also via text message and email. So if you have a full-time job, a part-time job, or maybe you just can't be in front of the computer screen all day long, you're still going to get those profitable trade alerts via text message and email. You're also going to get access to the exclusive daily member videos, webinars, and an education from mentors like myself who truly care about your success in the market. It's a great opportunity and we'd love to help you. All right, so let's take a look at the first chart here, which is Apple. So Apple here, we have a breakout over this resistance here. You can see this was the highs over here in October of 2016. That was actually our short target over here. So congrats if you took that short trade right here. That worked out very nicely. So here we have a breakout over this level. This is a 52-week high right here for Apple. And what we also have is a break over resistance over there. So next resistance is up at about 123. You can see that that was a peak over here in October of 2015. Okay, so that's a level that you need to be aware of here 3 times. And then right here, we broke over it clearly, and we have another day trading above that. So that's going to act as support. The next one we're going to take a look at is Amazon. Amazon here, very nice breakout action right here. We broke over this resistance over here. More than likely, we're going to come up here and fill the gap at about 815. You can see that that's the next nearest resistance right here. And we have support down here at about 789. The next one we're going to take a look at is BABA. Congratulations if you have been following along with us on BABA. We broke over this very nice downtrend line right here and over these highs of the week right here with this candle right there. That was the long signal there. We did a public video on this. We also got long ourselves, and members profited very nicely on some options, gaining 400 to 500% on those options. Very nice action here for us. Now what are we going to do with BABA? BABA broke over this $95 to $94 level. Now this level is going to act as support, okay? The next level of resistance is going to be right around $100. There's a gap fill right here. You can see that there's a gap. This candle closed right there, and then we gap down right there. So there's that gap to fill right here at about $100. So between $100 and about 102, you can see that this was support right here at 102, and now that's going to be resistance. So we're going to come up here and retest $100. More than likely is going to be that next resistance. $95 to $94 is going to be that support level that you want to be looking for in the near term. The next one we're going to take a look at is Baidu. Baidu broke out of this box. We liked it for a long here. We came up here and hit that target. So from 172 to 180, that's a very nice gain. So far, it even went a little bit further than that and gave you some more gains near 183. Now I want to back it up here and show you the weekly chart so you can get a little bit of a cleaner view here. So 2 things that I want to focus on here for Baidu. We've got the downtrend line right here, okay? You can see that many rejections at this level right there, and we're coming right up to it. We've got probably about $10 left to hit it. It's right around 190, so obviously we're not there yet, but definitely something to be aware of. The other thing that I want to point out here is that we did break this trend line. We have this trend line, uptrend, uptrend. Here we are. We broke it over here, and we're coming up to retest it right now. So this is a key test for Baidu. If we break these highs over here, if we break significantly, get up to about 195, that's going to be a huge breakout signal here for Baidu, as we're going to break over this multi-year downtrend line. I mean, this started back here in 2014, October of 2014. So we're looking at, about 2.5 years here on this trend line that has kept Baidu down. So definitely something to be aware of here for Baidu. The next one I'm going to take a look at is Chipotle. And Chipotle, I'm going to switch back to the daily time frame here. Last video we did on Chipotle, we mentioned that it was most likely going to break over this downtrend line. That's exactly what we did. And then it was going to come up here and tag this resistance up here near about 414. That's exactly what we did. Now what do? We closed pretty much right at this resistance. So we'll see how far it takes us. But more than likely we're going to come down here, fill this gap right here. And if we do come down here, to me, that's going to be a buy signal right here, because it looks like Chipotle wants to break out further. The next one we're going to take a look at is Facebook. Facebook broke over this downtrend line right there. So congratulations if you've been following along this Facebook chart here, because we have liked it for a long since then. Another thing that we did here is we broke over this resistance right here. You can see that we have a close over it right here, another close over it right here, and most likely we're going to come up here. We've got a little bit of juice left in this to fill this gap at about 127, and you can see that's a big time resistance level right here, because it was a big time support right here, and we haven't even had a test yet. So 127, that should hit sometime in the near future for Facebook. The next one we're going to take a look at is Google. Google, very similar action. We broke over this 818 resistance. We haven't quite tested it yet. If we do end up testing it, most likely it's going to get a bounce, and we're going to come up here and test this 837, 838 mark up there. Very simple here. 818 support, 837 resistance. Those are the two levels that you want to be paying attention to for Google. The next one we're going to take a look at is Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs, very similar look to the S&P 500. And what I mean by that is that we had a very clean break. Look at this resistance, very clean resistance, okay, almost too clean, and then we broke over it right here. That was a breakout signal. Then what do we have the next 2 days? We have 2 days that close back below that resistance level. To me, this is a false breakout look, and you might want to be aware of it for some potential downside moves here in the near future for Goldman Sachs. The next one we're going to take a look at is Netflix. And Netflix, very nice support around 129. You can see that we had resistance here many days right there, many days right here, broke over it right here, and we've got really about, a couple touches of it right here, and it's just consolidating sideways. We still haven't broken the lows of this day right here, and we're still above that 129. To me, it looks like Netflix has higher prices. We also have a nice uptrend line that began here in November of last year. You can see lots of bounces. Here's another bounce, and that's coming up to us right here. So more than likely, Netflix is going to get a bounce around this area. The next one we're going to take a look at is Priceline. Priceline, we liked it for a long here at thetradinganalyst.com. We made our analysis in the live chat room right here on this day right here, and some members profited nicely off of this, and our target was up here near about 1535. That hit right here, and this is clearly a resistance here from the lows of these candles right here. So congratulations if you followed along. Now there's resistance right there, and we have support. There's an intraday uptrend line that you can draw, and I'll just draw it right here for you on the hourly chart. Right here. So we're right at that trend line here. You can see lots of bounces along this trend line. We're right at that trend line. Definitely something that you need to be aware of. We had a reversal candle on the daily chart. Another thing is on the hourly chart. We've got a negative divergence. as price headed higher, we had indicators which were leading the way down here. So definitely something to be aware of. Trail those stops. Congratulations if you got long, but now is the time to trail those stops because we could be looking at a reversal here on price line, and that's something you want to draw using that trend line on the hourly chart. Thanks for stopping by and watching the video, everyone. Apparently, we've got that wanted to check out the site, and if you're one of them, then visit us on the homepage of the website and get to know us a little bit better. If you like the free videos and analysis we give to you on a daily basis, it's nothing compared to the membership at thetradinganalyst.com. The best part is, once you sign up, you're going to get instant access to those profitable trade alerts that members are getting on a daily basis. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you.